That's what they are coming. Let's back.
IJ. Oh. Sorry. Sorry. It's all right. Baby, how will you finish together? I thought it's one of those. Let's finish it. That's unfair now. No, wait for you, man. No, wait for me now.
Just keep quiet. Stay good. Stop with it. Back up, please. I will flog you. Why? I will flog you. Yeah? Look. Where is that girl? Where is that girl? Get quiet! Get quiet! What happened? I don't know what has come over my daughter. That's why I told my wife to go. Okay, Chuku. What happened? She has been behaving like this since this evening.
Stop this.
He just... Quiet. I don't know, Diogo, please help me.
My daughter has gone bad. Oya can measure. I'm doing a better than him. Oya can measure.
It's all right.
Oya can measure.
Allow me to think. It is late. Now, let us take her inside
Tomorrow we will take her to Agwo Trombe, the diviner. Okay. Let us take her inside, please.
Okay. Of course you want to. Okay. Okay. I will slap you. Break her. Okay. Break her.
Woman, when did this start?
Yesterday, when I came back from the farm, I saw her dancing when there was no music playing. After a short time, she started rolling herself on the ground. I gave her all the medications that I know, yet it became worse.
Did you mistakenly keep the medicine where she could eat it?
No, am I mad? But I hid it away until the next day I went and did as you instructed me.
Woman! Did she eat the akara at all?
I don't know. She was at home when I left to the farm. And she did not have plan of eating akara as breakfast. I don't know.
Woman, now go home. Try to find out if she had a taste of it on that fateful day.
It's okay, wise one. But is there nothing you can give me to calm her down? Bikono.
Woman, go home now before it's too late. Act fast before she goes into the market.
Huh? Boy, I will do as you said.
Go.
I will do as you said. She's not here. Okay. Okay. Okay, Mom. Okay, Mom. Okay. Okay. Nine. Hey. Chiba. 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 Nine. One more.
What happened?
One more. Hey.
Hey! Oh!
what I'm hearing.
What is
That's your babe. Okay, she's running mad.
That is very strange. Yes. I mean, someone that was with you, nothing was wrong with you.
I also heard that it was because of the quarrel that you had with her. And as you know, they say some women can go crazy over some men. I can see that now.
Chidi, but I didn't quarrel with her. I only got angry because she alone ate all the akara I bought that day. That was all.
Wait. Are you sure that was all?
Chidi, make your investigation. Go and ask that woman that owns that joint. Go ahead. I didn't quarrel with her.
Oh, yeah. This yam, man.
Anyway,
Huh?
see, I will go and see her.
You will go and see her. I'll go with you. I mean, I'm with you in this one.
I'm okay, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Now,
I'm not okay now. I'm not okay. I'll meet you. I'll come there. I'll come out there.
IJ.
Wait for me,
Before go. I will.
Not like you now leave me here and go.
IJ, please, here's your money. Chidi, see you later, eh?
No, you can just do your thing.
I got to remember.
No.
Will she be alright?
Well, it's under probability.
Are you trying to say that she will not recover or what?
Well, madam, it's more spiritual than ordinary I could see.
Hey.
Yes.
Then what do we do?
What do we do?
Now, let's watch her today and tomorrow. Then, if she didn't get better, then you take her to Africa.
Akarika. Nah, Akarika. Hey!
Nine. Shall take my leave.
Hey. Agwo, is there nothing you can do to help? Oh. Hey! Monica, I talk wa.
Woman, I warned you, but you couldn't listen. I warned you. You couldn't heed to my advice.
It's not me, Bertrand. It was a mistake. I didn't know how she did it, so I didn't know. I was not there. Eh? I was not there when she did it, so. Eh? Please, I need your help. Eh? Please, I need your help for my daughter to regain her sanity. That was the reason I have to run to you this night. So that you can help me. Biko.
There is nothing I can do. She will not survive it.
Eh?
Your daughter will not survive this.
Mba. Eh? Great one. Biko, talk to your gods. Biko, talk to them. They will listen to you. When your father was alive, there is a way he used to do it. Talk to them. Ask them what I can do. I'm ready to do anything to make sure my daughter recovers. Whatever they ask me to do, I will do it. Just talk to them. Eh? You used to be here with your father.
Woman, the only way out is for you to go to Chuka and Ijoma. Go and make an open confession. Then, your daughter be healed.
Hey! Mbano. That may not be possible. No? It will be difficult. Eh? How can I go for open confession? In my church, I am the woman leader. Eh? And I'm a chorister too. All the women in my church and in my community, they look up to me. How can I now go and confess such a thing? As the gods, there may be another way out. Because no, let them say another thing, not for me to confess.
All these your excuses are none of my business. I warned you. I told you. Let none of your family members nor your blood have a taste of it. If not, the person will run mad. And not just that, till death. And when the person is dead, it continues from you. Yes.
The gods forbid. Is that the only way out?
There is no other way.
Hey.
That's the way I've told you.
Monica, I will try you. I will try.
You can go.
Eh?
You can go. Go and make the confession. Then we should be healed.
Hey. Monica, I can see my J. Monica.
Mama, who can do that? Mama, who can do that?
After everything, he insisted I must confess.
Hey! What about a shame? With what face will we walk the street of this village. No, you can't do that. Someone told me that there is an hospital in the city, psychiatric hospital, that we can take our daughter there and she will be totally healed.
What happened to our daughter is not ordinary madness. What happened to her was as an effect of that concoction I put inside the grinded beans Ijoma used to make akara. She ate part of it. She ate the akara. That was why it happened to her. And Akirika warned me. He warned me that none of us should taste anything that is cooked with that concoction inside.
I have had that before. I have had that. But what about the implication? No, you can't do that.
You are talking about the implications. If eventually our daughter dies as a result of this madness, which I pray will not happen, then the madness will come to me.
Is that how it is? Hey! Hey, what?
I'm here. Anyone in? Sister Ijoma? Chuka? Oh,
Rose, how are you?
I'm fine.
Please have a seat. Sit down.
Thank you. You abandoned me now because of gossip.
No, I didn't talk. My sister. It's not like that. You know your mother stopped doing business with me. What I went through that period was horrible. She also sacked my sister.
Oh.
And she stopped her from, working in her shop.
She even chased me out of the house. And during that period, I went through emotional trauma. It wasn't easy at all. But we are now in the city. And everything is fine.
I'm very happy to hear that.
So, how is your sister?
She's fine. She's fine. She's not home. She went out.
Okay.
Please, what do I offer you?
Anything.
Anything?
I'm here for you.
Okay, I'm coming. Let me get you something.
Okay. Oh.
The joke. Hey! The world will now laugh at me and my family that I brought destruction upon my family because of greed.
Stop lamenting. Stop lamenting. There is no cause for alarm. Nothing will happen. In a matter of months, the rumor will be over. What are you talking?
Ejogu, I will want you to escort me to Ijoma and Chuka's house. For me to apologize to them, since they say the solution to my daughter's illness is based on that. Please, Biko.
When are you planning to do that?
In fact, tomorrow will be okay. Tomorrow, Kaije, I don't think I will have chance.
Why don't you go there without me? There's no problem.
Ijugu, you were my backbone all this while. Why are you backing out now?
Was that day when your wife inflicted your daughter with madness? Why is it that every problem in your family is channeled to me? Or don't you think I have my own problems in my own family?
Hey, Jogo, I Are you the one saying this? Please don't give me the cause to be afraid of you.
Ndode, why are you raising your voice because of this simple issue?
Hey, why wouldn't I raise my voice? Eh? When my fellow hunter turns around and now said that my leg resembled that of an antelope, why wouldn't I raise my voice?
I see. Ndode, let it not be a way of denying me what you promised me. Because if you do,
hey! Is it how the people of the world are? Eh? When you are happy, enjoying, they will rally around you. But when the chips are down, everybody will run to his tent and leave you alone. Hey! Ejiogu, we started this together and we must end it together. Hey! What's it be? My friend now said that my leg is like that of
That one is not even important now. Have you guys found the source of all these madness? It is that my father went there yesterday, but they still hid it from home. I thought your father was their bestie, their best friend, and you said that there is no secret in that house that your father does not know. So why would he hid it? Eh? I can't remember telling you that my father is part of their evil doing that resulted in their daughter's madness. Please don't say that again. Why did I tell you that? So, Cookie's parents made her mad. Hey! Why are people so wicked? So, okay, parents are the cause of her madness. I did not say that because of her madness. Please, keep me up from this. Neka. Why you do like this now? Talk from one side of your mouth, talk from another side of your mouth. When you're the one that said just now that their parents' evil doing made her mad. Me? Eh? You don't carry fake news. Me? Neka, you carry fake news. Look at my armpits. There's no hair in it. Please. Hi.
Akrika, my wife has told me everything. But the problem is that confession. That confession.
Akarika did not come up with this, but the spirits did.
There should be a way out. Eh? We can appease the gods and ask for alternative. Eh? Instead of this public confession.
There is nothing I can do. Ndode, the gods have spoken.
But you should know that it is the same hand that made the pencil. The same also created an eraser.
Ndode, I'll finish with you. You may leave my shrine.
Hey. Huh?
The clock tickens, and the days are numbered.
Sister IJ.
I was told you came the last time, but you didn't wait for us to see you.
Yes. And that is why I said I must see you before going back.
Where have you been?
I've been around, but
In this village?
No. I'm actually staying with a friend in the neighboring village. Yeah.
Sit down.
Thank you. Your madam, she's fine. She even owns a mega restaurant now in the city.
That's a big one. God be praised.
You know, they say when one door closes, 10 other doors open.
That's correct. That's correct.
Yeah. I stayed around purposely to see you.
Okay.
Sister AJ, you're a woman like me. And you understand when a woman is in love. I love Chuka. I love your brother Chuka so much.
Have you told him?
I did, but he don't seem to understand me. I don't know. Maybe he thinks I'm joking.
I'll talk to him then.
Thank you. I have actually discussed it with my mother, and I want us to get married. I want to marry him.
Nine.
Where's your mother again?
This one you came unannounced. I hope all is well.
It's okay, she's alright.
Yeah.
Has her sickness gotten worse?
All is well. We've been here for a while, waiting for you people. You are welcome.
Thank you.
We came to talk to both of you.
Nine, what is the problem? Is everything okay?
We are here to ask for your forgiveness, my
Please get
children.
up. Please stand up.
Uncle, stand up. Nine, if you're here to apologize for my late father's properties that you seized, trust me, I have forgotten about it. We have moved on. We have forgiven you.
A long time ago.
We have actually moved on with our lives. Ijoma,
Yes.
am I correct?
You're right.
No, it has gone beyond that. Here can tear Bagutene and Tenono.
We just want you to forgive us. If you forgive us, we will be alright.
Ijoma, I don't understand. You want us to forgive you? How can I forgive you when I don't know what you have done? What have you done? Why should I forgive you? I said I've forgiven you if you're here to talk about my father's properties that you took away from me.
Yes. It's okay. My brother is right. We forgave you two a long time ago. Let us all just move on with our lives as one big family.
We have moved on a long time
We
ago.
have.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Or is there something else you are sorry about?
Oh, they had me thinking Ogechi's sickness had gotten worse.
We had to rush down. I thought something terrible happened.
You have forgiven us?
Yes.
Thank you. May Almighty God be blessed. Wise one, we did all you asked us to do, but the madness got worse. We came back to the house and found that she removed the rope we used in tying her and ran away.
She did not.
We searched everywhere. We searched around the house, and she was nowhere to be found.
did you go before Chuka and Ijoma to confess?
We went there and they said they have forgiven us.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
You cannot lie to the courts. Yes. We went there and they said they have forgiven us.
Woman, did you open your mouth and tell them what you did?
Wise one. We went there and they said they have forgiven us. So no need of confessing, since they said no matter what we did against them that they have forgiven us. That was why I did not confess.
Before the next Eke market day, if you don't confess before them, something very disastrous will happen. You may go. Ndidi, you better leave now with your bloody soiled hands before I invoke the wrath of the gods on you. You may go. Leave my shrine. Leave here.
What are you doing inside the bush?
Neka, when has it become an offense for me to enter into any bush in this village? Eh?
But Papa, it's as if someone is after you.
Shut up! Do I look like a coward to you? Who do you think is coming after me? By the way, where are you coming this hot afternoon?
Papa, you know where I went to. You are also aware when I left the house.
Oh yeah, go home. I'll be coming back, eh?
Papa, you didn't follow Uncle Ndudu with other elders to Shikasa's.
Are they there already?
Yes, no.
What are they discussing? Is anybody confessing?
Papa!
Anyway, never mind. If anybody asks of me, tell him I travel, eh?
We have come to see you and your brother. On behalf of Ndudi and his family, we are really very sorry. Very, very sorry for all the property that has been taken away from you and your brother. That's just from our heart. We are very sorry, and henceforth, Ndudi has hands off your father's property. He will no longer go to any of the properties anymore. That's why we're here.
But we have told him that we are forgiving him and his wife. Uncle, my brother and I have forgiven you and Mama Ogechi. And we meant it when we said it. From the bottom of our hearts, we are forgiving you too. Although, my brother and I cannot help but wonder if our land that was taken from us will be returned.
Yes. The ones I sold off, I will replace it with a better land. I will. Trust me.
One more thing. I am fully responsible for my daughter's madness.
Woman, what exactly is it you said you want me to do for you?
Gretel, I want their business to collapse. I want them not to sell akakam. I want whoever that goes there to buy something not to go again. I don't just want them to sell anything till they will run out from this village.
If I may ask, what is it that this woman and man has done to you?
Great one. The question should be, what have they not done to me? Where do I even start? Which one do I mention? Eh? They have been oppressing me and my family. They are plotting to wipe away my family. They have done many things. But instead of them to wipe me or my family out, I will wipe them out first. That is why I want you to do that.
You said they sell food.
They sell akara, akam, agede, meat, yam, potato. They want to sell everything in this world. Agabara habara. Ha!
Take this. Use this. Put it in anything they sell. And you will get the results.
Thank you, great one. Thank you. Great one. Thank you very much. If everything goes well, I must come to testify. Eh? Thank you very much.
One more thing. Make sure that none of your family members, I mean your blood relative, have a taste of this.
Great one. We don't buy things from them. We don't buy anything from them.
Madam, the repercussion, I mean the outcome if it happens, will be disastrous.
Great one. Don't worry. Allow me to worry about that. Eh? We don't buy anything from them. So bad there. Hey. Please forgive me. I was tempted by the devil, I swear. It's the devil. Because of envy and greed. What? Man, I can't see my bagum. No. I can't see my bagum. No. Try.
Why? Why did you? So, you planned all that for my brother and I? What did we ever do to you people? What did we ever do to you people to deserve such wickedness? Oh, dear.
Please forgive us.
Please, oh.
If there is no sin, there will be
no forgiveness.
Please,
Because
from the depth of your heart,
forgive.
we
will not do it again.
Help us, beg her. Nico, Ichie, follow us in your way. Help us, beg.
My sister, please, tamper justice with mercy. Please. Huh?
Hey.
Nico.
Forgive. Please stand up.
Thank you. Thank you.
God bless you. I'm not even supposed to stand up.
Thank you.
God bless you. Hi.
The food is there. The food is too much. Very sweet and very affordable too. Anyway, I enjoy the food. So, what is your name?
We own it.
I don't understand. What do you mean by we own it?
My brother and I.
You mean family business?
Yes.
It's a group of people. You people are doing well.
Thank you.
All right, I have to be going. Thank you.
Please, since we don't bring your fellow
Next time I'm coming, I'll come with Malaga. Don't mention. Next time I'm coming, I will come. You will be tired of serving. You will serve. You get tired of serving us. All right, thank you. All right, is this food there?